Another peripheral I often use in my Arduino Uno projects is a color OLED screen connected via the SPI interface. In this lecture, I'll try to make it work with the Galileo. I will use the same wiring and the same libraries that I use with the Arduino Uno. Will it work? Let's see. In this demonstration, I will use my Intel Galileo Generation 2 to drive this OLED 128 by 128 pixels color display. It is a 1.5 inch LED screen diagonal, and it also works with the Raspberry Pi, so it's a good choice of a screen if your project needs one. To use it with the Arduino, the first thing that I need to do is to install the libraries. So I've already done that, but I'll show you what I have here. So I'm looking for OLED, and the one that drives the screen is this one here, FT OLED. It's by Freetronics, and it should also support any LCD screen with the SSD 1351 chip as a controller on it. So install the library, and I've done the connections as per the instructions on the Freetronics website. So this image shows the connections that I have done. I've used the ICSP header here for the SEK and MOSI wires. The display also has an SD card on the flip side, which I haven't connected since the Arduino Galileo already has an SD card integrated, so I haven't had to do all of the connections as per this diagram. And there's another view that shows the wirings. Let's have a look in the sketch now. The sketch, I'm just printing out a few shapes and colors and boxes and printing a little bit of text as well. The library is very good for creating graphics, and you can have things like lines and circles and boxes, and also text using the print function. I'll upload it and have a look at the result on the screen. Okay, it takes a few seconds to boot up and initialize, but eventually you have your graphics. There you go. So this particular color LCD screen works just fine. Earlier I did try to get my shield, my color LCD shield with the Epson driver to also work, but the software failed, even though the hardware wise and in terms of voltages the shield is compatible. It's just the libraries that are not supporting the Galileo for this particular shield. But there's no shortage of screens. Here's a monochrome OLED display, just white text, and this one also works just fine out of the box. This screen uses the SPI interface as well. That was a very quick demonstration of how to connect a common color OLED display to an Arduino Galileo. Works out of the box, no modifications are needed.